So today is Friday, June 12th, 2020, 12:41 p.m., 17 degrees Celsius, and I'm here at a family's house in the Toronto borough of York in the West End. And this is also my old house with a beautiful garden. I did a video in this same spot last month. And, I was expecting it to be kind of hot. But hey, the weather's not so bad outside. But it's pretty bad there that we're still in this gosh darn pandemic. But I thought I would show you a beautiful moment here. This garden. That's one of my family friends own. And I'll try not to talk too much, because we're here to observe and hear the sounds of nature here in the West End. Look at that. Look at that. It's really cool. Sorry about that. Wow. That's a fly right on my hand. Wow. Alright, now go. Sorry about that. Imagine if it was a mosquito, it'd just bite my hand off though. Unless you're like up north or like at Algonquin Park. I think when I came out in the backyard back on, like, I think last month, they weren't grown just yet. By the way, if you're wondering which neighborhood of the city I'm in right now, I'm in the Silverthorne area. And it's the area I used to live in. Lots of nice hills. Like a typical San Francisco area. I mean, I wish it was like kind of warm enough, but hey, not so bad outside. I just hope you guys are enjoying this beautiful Friday afternoon, early afternoon. Whoa! Whoa, is that a cat? Oh my god. Is that a cat? Hey! It is a cat. Hey, what's going on, buddy? It's looking at me. What you doing? What you doing in our yard, bro? What you doing in our yard, bro? I'm not gonna come too close to it. I like cats, but they're really cute. Look, he's not even scared. This is the second cat I've caught in like the outdoors in like, was it a week? He's just looking dead at me. How you doing, buddy? What's up? How did he get on the fence? I'm not gonna come too close to him and pet it because, what if he's dangerous, but hey, he's not really that scared. Wow. What's going on, bro? What's up? You enjoying this beautiful day? And he's gone, hiding in the trees. There have been a lot of cats wandering around this neighborhood lately. That's cool, not cool, because, lots of cats that are, like, stray. There's a flyer down there. Oh, look at that. A dragonfly. Wow. So much nature. It's so cool. perfect timing. And then now we got a big old dragonfly. Wow. And a dog barking. Man, perfect timing. Right when I just hit the record button, dragonfly comes into my shot. It's good to get real nature here. This garden is kind of lively. I walked down by Forest Hill, Rosedale many times. And those types of houses, God, like, they have beautiful gardens. Like, I've walked down those areas like countless times, and I think I've been to one house in Forest Hill that had a beautiful garden. Like, I was mind blown by it. This is still pretty cool though, although Silver Thorn is not an affluent neighborhood. And this here I would probably find rather boring. But yeah, check this out. And he's gone. And for privacy reasons, I'm not going to tell you what street this is unless you live in this area. And if you do, shout out to all of you who live in here. And a post. You can see down there. That takes you down to Rogers Road. If you go along here, this will take you down to, you know, Keel. Again, I don't really want to like say the name of the street because, you know, this used to be my old house. Some metal music playing. Again, unless you live in this area, then you know where. Then you definitely know where this is. I also have a friend that lives like 2 minutes away, surprisingly on this street. And hopefully, when this pandemic foolishness is done, I'll be able to shoot some more walking videos around the city, especially in downtown. Like, I gotta do more videos in downtown, on the subway, on Yonge Street, on Bloor, Danforth. That also is a hill. Also, I haven't taken the TDC since March 13th. Like, that was the last time I took the TDC before this lockdown even began. Mind you, the 41 routes and the 32 routes are just around the area, as well as the under construction Eglinton Line 5.